Hello students, so we were doing limits and derivatives. These are some standard results for derivatives. That is, derivative of constant term is 0. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. A raised to x is a raised to x log a. X raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Then sine is cos, cos is minus sine, tan sec square x, cot minus cos x square x, sec of x is sec of x into tan of x, cosec of x is minus cosec of x into cot of x. Okay. Next is product rule and quotient rule. In product it is u dash v plus v dash u, and u by v dash it is u dash v minus v dash u upon v square. Okay. Let's solve some problems. So we have to find the derivative of this. Okay. A upon x is to 4 minus b upon x square plus cos x equal to y. So the derivative of this is dy by dx. Okay. D by dx of a is a constant term. So a you can write outside. And x is to 4 you can take x is to minus 4 because this is in the denominator. So when it goes in the numerator it becomes power is negative. Same way, b is constant, d by dx of x square, x raised to minus 2, okay, plus d by dx of cos of x. So the derivative of this is minus 4. You have to use x is to n formula. X minus 4 minus 1, which is minus 5. This is minus 2, x is to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Cos of x is minus sine of x. So minus 4a upon x is to 5 minus into minus plus 2b upon x cube minus sine of x. Yes, this is the derivative. Next question, 3x plus 5 into 1 plus 10x. Now you don't have to multiply this, okay. This we can take it as u, the whole thing, and this as v. So we can use the product rule. So first I'll write u dash, that is derivative of 3x plus 5. It is 3, right? X, derivative of x is 1, 5 is 0, so 3 remains. What about v dash? 1 is 0, 10x is sec square x. Okay, let's write the derivative. Dy by dx will be u dash v plus v dash u. U dash is 3, 3 into v is 1 plus 10x plus v dash u. Okay, this is the derivative. Next question. So this is dy by dx, d by dx of x square sin x plus d by dx of cos 2x. Okay. Now here we'll solve this first. Here two functions are there. This we can take as u, this we can take it as v. Okay. So I'll write this separately and then I'll add this to this. So I'll take this as 1 and this whole thing as 2. Okay. So derivative of 1 is u dash. So I'll write directly 2x into sin x plus v dash is cos x into 2 into x square. Okay. So this is the derivative of first one. What about second? Second is, this type of functions are called composite functions. That is, here cos is given and inside there is one more function, that is 2x. Okay. So you have to first write the derivative of cos x. Okay, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. But here it is 2x is there. So you have to take 2x into derivative of 2x you have to write. That is 2. This is the derivative of whole thing. Okay. So our derivative becomes dy by dx equal to, this is the first one, and minus 2 into sin 2x. Okay. Next question, y is equal to root x plus 1 upon root x the whole square. Okay. So you have to consider this as some x raised to square. That is, we have to use x raised to n formula. That is 2 root x plus 1 upon root x. Okay. 2 minus 1 is 1 into derivative of this thing. Okay. So this is now constant. This remains as it is, not constant. Derivative of root x is what? You can write directly 2 root x plus derivative of 1 upon root x. So 1 upon root x means in the numerator it will be x raised to minus half. Correct? So I'll write here d by dx of x raised to minus half. Okay. This will be minus half using x raised to n formula. X raised to minus half minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2. So I can write this directly as minus 1 upon 2 x raised to 3 by 2. Okay. So this is the derivative. Next question. So this is of the form u by v. Correct. But our u is, again we have to do product rule here. Okay. So u dash is derivative of x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x minus 1 into x plus 2 derivative. Okay. So derivative here is 1. Minus 1 is 0. So we will get x plus 2. What about this? Here also it is 1. 2 is 0. So x minus 1. We will get 2x plus 1. Okay. This is u dash. What about v dash? Root x. So 1 upon 2 root x. Okay. Let's write the derivative dy by dx u by v. So u dash into v minus v dash into u upon v square. So square and root gets cancelled, you will get only x.